Hi guys, today we are gonna be building this fast food cart. So I'm so excited. So let's start building food cart. So let's get started. Let me open this pot, and it contains tons and tons of pieces. So let me take everything out so we can start building. Here we go. So this sticker side is gonna face the customer. So we're gonna put it like this and put the stove right on top. Let's fix it on. Perfect. So now we're going to take this green, snap it here. Okay, perfect. And yeah, here we have this little cart handled so we can take it around, which I'm gonna put right here. And here we have like a little shelf, which I think goes here. Let me just fix it up. And what else? Alright, we have a little menu with hot dog and french fries. This is a little bit of our menu. So let me flip it over, and this is like a little serving table you can put. So I'm gonna snap this on, and this is our roof I'm gonna put on. So we're gonna put it in these holes, push it in a little here. So this is our little fast food cart, and this is what it looks from the front. Oops, and there's one more thing. You're gonna add this little fast food sign. Just gonna put it in. Where's the hole? Alright, now our fast food cart is totally complete, but it's empty. So we're gonna stock it. Fast food cart. So let's stock it up. I have little plates here. Oops, here it is. I have one more. These are the plates I have, and I want to put them here. I have our salt and pepper shaker. I'm gonna put right here. And I have here a spoon and a fork. So I'm gonna flip it around and put our spoon and our fork in. Now we're gonna flip it back, and we have a little knife we can put here because we don't want to face the knife to the customer. So here I have a little pot to cook some things in. And what else? Oh yeah, this basket is for putting all the food in. So here I have some like cut vegetables I like to put in my shop. I also have here some bread, 2 pieces of bread. So as the menu says, hot dog, so I do have here hot dog supplies. And the menu also says french fries, so we definitely also have french fries. I got the french fries in, and now I have this little shrimp, and we carefully put it in also. It has a little space here. Yeah, so we're done. And of course, the last and final one, we need a frying pan. So this is our full setup. It looks really, really cool. So here we have it. So now we're gonna wait for some customers. Hi, welcome to my fast food cart. Hi, do you have french fries? I really like french fries. Oh, of course we have. I'm gonna definitely make some for you. So let's guys make french fries. So here we have some french fries we're gonna put in here and turn on the stove. So I'm gonna use this little fork to make it. Wow, it's smelling already so good. I'm gonna add a little flavor in here, some spice, to make it nice and yummy. So while this cooks, I am going to also be making. So I have here some veggies. Can I sit somewhere? Oh yeah, you can sit in that restaurant there. Thank you. So here I have some cut veggies, as I already said, and I'm gonna put it in the plate. So I'm gonna put this aside. Okay, looks like our fries are ready. So now I'm gonna turn off the stove and take the fries off. I'm just gonna take it really carefully. And we got our fries out, so let's serve it.
Wow.
Here you go, your food is all ready. Oh, thank you. It's so good. Guys, I hope you like this video. Guys, please remember to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Bye.